Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be moving back with Tkinter, and we're going to be looking at the label module. So, alright, let's just get into it. Tkinter and if you're new here, thanks for joining us. What we do is we do one subject at a time. Now, with a library like Tkinter, it gets pretty massive pretty quickly. So let's look at our dir, and we can see label. Where is it? It's alright, label right there. So then we do help on Tkinter, TK, because we aliased it, and label. So alright, then this has a ton in it. So you're going to be actually then creating a label object. So I want you to think about that for look at all this, because I didn't want to jump into this and create a label object and then go and then be overwhelming. So this, and we're gonna then talk about another thing here very soon. So alright, label module in and it's gonna then, when you invoke this, you then create a label object, and then these are all the methods that go along with it. So I just realized I need to make a note of some other thing, but a real quick video today. But I've had some really good questions recently, so thank you very much. I've been able to really share some clarifying statements, so you guys do a really good job of keeping me on my toes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I don't want you missing anything, because there was some feedback about the schedule. So this is you guys are an awesome audience. I can't tell you guys thank you enough. But we're gonna start delving into some pretty complicated things, so I don't want you to miss anything. And I want you to have one place to come for everything Python, because I remember when I was learning, I had to go and piecemeal and grab and put together. I want you to have one place where you can come and search for absolutely everything. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, and please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests down in the comments. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.